In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Snapchat Pixel on your Shopify store with conversion tracking. This is a great way to take your Shopify e-commerce platform to the next level by harnessing the power of Snapchat's advertising capabilities. Installing the Snapchat Pixel allows you to track the actions your visitors take on your site, which can significantly enhance your targeting and retargeting efforts. So, let's dive in step by step to make sure everything is set up correctly. To get started, head over to your Shopify homepage. From there, navigate to the Apps section. This is your central hub for managing existing apps or browsing through the new ones that you might find beneficial for your store's operation. In this case, you want to search for Snapchat Pixels. Enter this term in the search bar, and it's vital to ensure you get the official app to avoid compatibility issues or potential security risks. Once you have located the Snapchat Pixel app, click on Install. It's important to confirm this installation by clicking Install once more when prompted. This double confirmation ensures that you genuinely want this app integrated into your Shopify store and have acknowledged any permissions it may need. After the app installation is confirmed, the next crucial step is setting up your payment method. Snapchat ads can be a powerful tool, but they do require a payment method for running campaigns. Ensure your payment method details are up to date and accurate. When you've double-checked this, click Approve to finalize the setup. Doing this step meticulously ensures there won't be any interruptions when executing your ad campaigns later on. Remember, installing the Snapchat Pixel is just the beginning. Once installed, you should explore Snapchat's dashboard to understand the data being collected fully. Monitoring these insights regularly can help you tweak and optimize your marketing strategies for better results. If you encounter any issues during the installation or post-installation, Shopify's support resources or community forums can be very helpful. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully installed the Snapchat Pixel on your Shopify store with conversion tracking. You've now taken a significant stride towards smarter, data-driven marketing strategies. Don't forget to explore the array of possibilities available now that this Pixel is in place. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising!